Now, let us begin our class with Brahmanad. Om. Om. Shanti. 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 Swastha. Dear students, in today's class we will go through the fourth and fifth unit of the lesson, The Legend Behind a Legend, by Hariharan Balkrishnan. In our previous class, we discussed the writer Hariharan Balkrishnan took a quick shower and went to the main hall to meet with Sarojraj Chaudhary. He was extended a hearty welcome there by the veteran forest officer Sarojraj Chaudhary, and both of them had their conversations. In the course of conversation, Sarojraj Chaudhary told him how different species of wild animals came to him at their different stages of lives, and how he was interested also to experiment with the reaction of a tiger towards a snake. Luckily, one day he got the opportunity to experiment with the reaction of a young tiger or tigress towards a poisonous snake like a crate. To some extent, he was successful in his experiment, but in some time, he was absent-minded or unmindful. As a result, that crate, which was a baby crate, turned round and bit him. As a result, he became the patient of hypoglycemia. The writer Hariharan Balkrishnan could also notice how Sarojraj Chaudhary was giving instructions to his men who were posted in different places of the forest Shimilpal through VHP wireless, VHF, that is very high frequency wire force. So now let us go through the next unit, that is unit number 4 of the lesson, The Legend Behind a Legend. Khairy's story started on 5th October 1974 when Kharia tribals of Shimilpal brought a 2-month-old tiger cub to Sarojraj Chaudhary, an officer of the Indian Forest Service. Let me write this sentence on the board. Khairy's story started. Khairy's story started on October 5, 1974, when 12 Kharia tribals of Shimilpal brought a 2-month-old tiger, old tiger cub to Sarojraj Chaudhary to Saroj Raj Chaudhary an officer of the Indian Forest Service of the Indian Forest Service. This is the first sentence. Study. You should know the parsing. Even in England, the English teachers teach the students through parsing. Of course, English is taught through stories. We should not focus on stories. We should focus on the language, how the words are used in sentences. Clear? Now, study this sentence. Khairi's story started on October 5, 1974, when 12 Kharia tribals of Similpal brought a 2-month-old tiger cub to Saroj Raj Chaudhary, an officer of the Indian Forest Service. Here we find 2 clauses. What are they? They are Khairi's story started on October 5, 1974. It is a clause. Again, when 12 Kharia tribals of Similpal brought a 2-month-old tiger cub to Saroj Raj Chaudhary, an officer of the Indian Forest Service, is another clause. It has a subject, it has a predicate of its own. So both the parts, the underlined part and the bracketed part, have subjects and predicates of their own. So we say that there are 2 clauses in this sentence. One is a principal clause and another one is a subordinate clause. Clear? And the part that is underlined is known as the independent clause, and the part that is in bracket is known as the dependent clause. Hence, it is a complex sentence. So, what have you understood? When did the story of Khairi begin or start? Here, started in the past tense of start. It is in past tense. On October 5, 1974. If you put when question, when did Khairi's story start? Khairi's story started on October 5, 1974, and this is the American way of writing the date. This is the American style of writing date. And when we write 5 October 1974, this is known as the English style of writing date. So what have you understood? Khairi's story began. Began in the past tense of begin. Started in the past tense of start. So Khairi's story, it is the subject. Khairi's story is subject. And when did Khairi's story start? Khairi's story started on October 5, 1974. When 12 Kharia tribals of Similpal brought a 2-month-old tiger cub to Saroj Raj Chaudhary, an officer of the Indian Forest Service. It is also a clause. It is called dependent clause. Because if we write, simply while writing, what do you write? Because I don't know. Because I know it. This is incorrect. In English, it is incorrect, grammatically incorrect. It can't be a sentence. So you should have the knowledge of English. Clear? When 12 Kharia tribals of Similpal brought a 2-month-old tiger cub to Saroj Raj Chaudhary, an officer of the Indian Forest Service. Here when refers to the date that Khairi was brought to Saroj Raj Chaudhary. When was Khairi brought to Saroj Raj Chaudhary. Khairi was brought to Saroj Raj Chaudhary on 5th October or October 5, 1974. Now the question arises, who brought Khairi to Saroj Raj Chaudhary? It was 12 Kharia tribals. 12 Kharia tribals of Similpal. Here it is subject. Here the subject is 12 Kharia tribals of Similpal. And the connective is when? Here the connective conjunction is when? 12 Kharia tribals of Similpal is the subject. So what have you understood? Khairi was brought to Saroj Raj Chaudhary by 12 Kharia tribals of Similpal. When he was brought to Saroj Raj Chaudhary, or when Khairi was brought by 12 Kharia tribals of Similpal to Saroj Raj Chaudhary, that time the tigress or the cub was only of 2 months, a 2 months old tiger. So it was a 2 month old tiger cub, and you know the young one of a tiger is called what? Cub. The young one of a tiger is known as cub. So when Khairi was brought to Saroj Raj Chaudhary by 12 Kharia tribals of Similpal, that time it was a 2 month old tiger cub. Clear? So when 12 Kharia tribals of Similpal brought a 2 month old tiger cub to Saroj Raj Chaudhary, an officer of the Indian Forest Service. See, now here in this sentence we are told about Saroj Raj Chaudhary. Who was Saroj Raj Chaudhary? Saroj Raj Chaudhary was an officer of the Indian Forest Service. Understood? This way, if you read, then definitely you will understand and there won't be any problem for you in English language. So what have you understood? Khairi's story began or started on October 5, 1974 when 12 Kharia tribals of Similpal brought a 2 month old tiger cub to Saroj Raj Chaudhary, an officer of the Indian Forest Service. Now let us proceed to the second sentence. Saroj noticed that it was a female, famished and confused. Saroj noticed that it was a female, famished and confused. Study this sentence. Saroj noticed. It is also a complex sentence. Saroj noticed it. What did Saroj notice? That it was a female, famished and confused. That it was a female, famished and confused is known as subordinate noun clause. Clear? Saroj noticed when Khairi was brought to him, he noticed or he observed. What did he notice? He noticed that it was that calf, which was of only 2 months old, was a female. It was not male, but it was a female and famished. What does famished mean? Famished means hungry and confused. And remember, confused means bewildered or baffled. Confused means baffled, B-A-F-F-L-E-D, or bewildered, B-E-W-I-L-D-E-R-E-D, bewildered or baffled. Understood? So, what have you understood? Khari was brought to Saroj Raj Chaudhary when it was a cub of only 2 months old by 12 Kharia tribals of Shimilpal. Saroj Raj Chaudhary was a veteran forest officer. Immediately, he recognized that the cub was a female, or it was a female cub. It was a female. At the same time, it was famished and confused because it was brought out of its habitat. His first experience of what was to become his passion in life was angry snarls and scratching claws. See what is written here, his first experience. Here his refers to Saroj Raj Chaudhary's first experience of what was to become his passion. Passion means strong feeling of emotion. Strong feeling of emotion is known as passion. To become his passion in life was angry snarls. Snarls means, write down, snarls, S-N-A-R-L-S. Snarls means angry sound or a growling, G-R-O-W-L-I-N-G, growling sound. And scratching, S-C-R-A-T-C-H-I-N-G. Scratching means marks made by nails. Made by, this one is called nails. So his first experience of what was to become his passion in life was angry snarls. Angry snarls. Snarls means what? Snarls means a growling sound, and scratching. Scratching means what? Marks made by the nails. Scratching, claws. Claws, you know, this is called claws. That paw and the nails of the paw, that is called claws. But the veteran forester, veteran means what? An experienced person. Veteran, V-E-T-E-R-A-N, an experienced person. An experienced person. He was a veteran forest officer. Saroj Raj Chaudhary was a veteran forest officer. The veteran forester. And instinctive. Instinctive means, write down, I-N-S-T-I-N-C-T-I-V-E. Natural tendency. Natural tendency lover of wildlife, knew how to handle a hungry, angry cub. He was a veteran forest officer. So he knew how to handle a hungry and angry cub. But the veteran forester and instinctive lover of wildlife, he was known as the instinctive lover of wildlife. Who was known as the instinctive lover of wildlife? It was Saroj Raj Chaudhary, who was known as the instinctive lover of wildlife. Knew how to handle a hungry and angry cub. He imitated the sounds. Imitated means copied. Imitate. And the past tense of imitate is imitated. Imitate. Imitated means copied. He imitated the sounds of a mother tigress, as he knew how to handle a hungry and angry cub. So what did he do? He imitated, he copied. What did he imitate? He imitated the growling sound of a mother tigress. He imitated the sounds of a mother tigress. Within minutes, her confidence was firmly anchored. Here anchored means A-N-C-H-O-R-E-D. Anchored means fastened. in the fostering human is how he recalled those first few minutes between the legends. See, to bring the cub under control, what did Saroj Raj Chaudhary do? To bring the cub under control, he copied the sound of a mother tigress. And what was found? When he imitated the sound of the mother tigress, within minutes, her confidence, the confidence of the cub was firmly means strongly fastened or anchored in the fostering human. Fostering, I have already said to you. Fostering means what? See, Lord Krishna was born to Devaki and Vasudev, but he was brought up by Mother Yashoda and Father Nanda. So, Yashoda and Nanda were the fostering parents of Lord Krishna. Similarly, here Khairi was brought up by whom? By Saroj Raj Chaudhary. So within minutes, the confidence of the cub was firmly anchored in the fostering human, is how he recalled. Recalled means remembered. Recalled those first few minutes between the legends. Here he recalled, here he refers to the writer Hariharan Balkrishnan. Remembered those first few minutes between the legends. Now, let us go to the next paragraph. Early next morning, Saroj started for his inspection of the tiger reserve area. That day passed with the different talks. But the next day morning, as he stayed 2 days and 2 nights at Jashipur with Saroj Raj Chaudhary. Early next morning, Saroj started for his inspection of the tiger reserve area. He went for inspection. Who went for inspection? It was the forester. Saroj Raj Chaudhary went for his inspection of the tiger reserve area. See, it is a simple sentence. Early next morning, Saroj started for his inspection of the tiger reserve area because it has only one subject and one finite verb. So it is a simple sentence. Clear? Next day morning, Saroj Raj Chaudhary started for his inspection of the tiger reserve area. So where did he go for his inspection? He went to the tiger reserve area. Why did he go to the tiger reserve area? He went to the tiger reserve area for inspection. I tagged. Here I refers to the writer Hariharan Balkrishnan. Tagged means joined. T-A-G-G-E-D. Tagged means joined. I tagged along in the jeep that snaked through narrow road in the woods amidst lush foliage. That day, next day morning, when Saroj Raj Chaudhary went for his inspection to the tiger reserve area, he also accompanied him. The writer Hariharan Balkrishnan also accompanied the forester Saroj Raj Chaudhary. I talked. That means Saroj Raj Chaudhary joined along in the jeep that snaked. That means the road to the forest or to the tiger reserve area was not straight. It was like crooked, or many turns were there, like a snake. As a snake crawls, while a snake crawls, it does not crawl straight, but it crawls, taking frequent turns. Similarly, the road had frequent turns. I joined along in the jeep that snaked through the narrow road in the woods amidst lush foliage. Lush foliage means, write down, Lushfoliage. Lush foliage means leaves of trees leaves of trees. Leaves of trees growing luxuriantly. See, lush, L-U-S-H, lush foliage, F-O-L-I-S-G-E. And what does it mean? It means leaves of trees growing luxuriantly. My mother gave me a gun for my 8th birthday. When both of them were traveling amidst lush foliage to inspect the tiger reserve area, they had their conversation. And that time, Saroj Raj Chaudhary told Hariharan Balkrishnan that he was given a gun for his 8th birthday. My mother gave me a gun for my 8th birthday. He belonged to Rajput family. Who belonged to Rajput family? It was the forest officer Saroj Raj Chaudhary, who belonged to Rajput family. And mothers of Rajput family want that their sons and daughters should be very brave, very courageous. That was the reason why she presented a gun, not a toy gun, but a real gun to her son for his 8th birthday. My mother gave me a gun for my 8th birthday. As a young man, I shot wildlife with abandon. With abandon. Abandon means give up, gave up, given up, abandoned. Abandoned. A-B-A-N-D-O-N-E-D. Gave up, abandoned. So what did he do? As a young man, he shot wildlife with abandon. Why did he shoot wildlife with abandon? He shot wildlife with abandon because he understood that these innocent creatures don't do any harm to the humanity. He realized that there is a greater happiness in saving or in conserving these beautiful animals that do no wanton. Wanton means reckless. Wanton, W-A-N-T-O-N. Wanton means reckless. Reckless, wanton harm, injury, harm to man is one of the things that Saroj Raj Chaudhary told Hariharan Balkrishnan about his life during that long travel. See, during the travel, they had also their conversation. And in his conversation, Saroj Raj Chaudhary told that he was given a gun by his mother for his 8th birthday. But what did he do? He shot wildlife with abandon. He shot wildlife with abandon. Why did he shoot wildlife with abandon? He shot wildlife with abandon because he realized that there is greater joy or greater happiness in conserving, saving or preventing from being destroyed. These beautiful animals that do no wanton harm, that is reckless harm to man, is one of the things he told me about his life during that long travel. At that time, he was an authority of the Tiger and director of Project Tiger in India. It is also a simple sentence because it has one subject and one finite verb. At that time, he was means Saroj Raj Chaudhary was an officer and authority on the Tiger and director of Project Tiger in India. Being the authority on the Tiger and Tiger director of Project Tiger in India, he introduced the tiger tracing method of tiger census, where the paw marks of each animal with distinctive measurements and characteristics are meticulously recorded. See, what have you understood? That time when Hariharan Balakrishnan visited Saroj Chaudhary, he was also an authority on the tiger and director of Project Tiger in India. Being an authority on the tiger and director of Project Tiger, Saroj Chaudhary introduced the tiger tracing method of tiger census. See, every 10 years we have also our government does the census to confirm how many crores of people are there in India. Similarly, as an authority on the tiger and director of Project Tiger in India, Saroj Chaudhary introduced the tiger tracing method on tiger census, where the paw marks, that foot marks of each animal with distinctive measurements and features or characteristics are meticulously and very carefully recorded. For the night, we camped. They did not return to the guest house or to Jashipur. They remained in the midst of the woods that night. For the night, we camped at a guest house deep in the jungle. There was a guest house deep in the jungle. They did not return the same day. They camped. They remained in the woods. And there was a guest house in the midst of the woods. There he stayed, or they spent the night there. For the night, we camped at a guest house deep in the jungle. And how was that guest house? It was a wooden structure. That guest house was not made up of bricks and cement. That guest house, which was in the midst of the jungle, was made of woods. It was a wooden structure with bedrooms, functional rooms, and a bath. And remember, do you know the difference between BATH bath, BATH bath, and BATHE bath? The first one is used as a noun, but the second one is used as a verb. So, there were functional rooms and a bathroom in that guest house. It was built on the stilts. That guest house, which was in the middle of the jungle, was built, was plus V3. We use in past simple passive. That guest house was built on stilts, S-T-I-L-T-S, S-T-I-L-T-S, that means poles, P-O-L-E-S, poles. It was built on poles and stood a good 15 feet above the ground, and that guest house was above 15 feet the ground. That guest house was stood a good 15 feet above the ground. He had never experienced to stay in the guest house that was in the middle of the jungle. Hariharan Balakrishnan that night experienced for the first time in life one night atop a magnificent, a very beautiful makan. Makan is a Hindi word. It is not an English word. It was makan, magnificent makan. Here magnificent makan refers to that guest house which was in the middle of the jungle and which was built on on the pieces of wood. Clear? Now, the remaining 4-5 lines of next unit, that is unit number 5. Did the writer meet Mr. Chaudhary for the second time? Yes, Mr. Chaudhary met the forest officer for the second time. What new animals did he find when he visited to Sarojraj Chaudhary for the second time? That we will read. Of course, it was a python. It was a python. When he visited second time to Sarojraj Chaudhary, he found another guest in the house of Sarojraj Chaudhary, and it was a python. How long did he stay with Mr. Chaudhary? He could not stay long. He had to leave immediately. I went to Khairi Jasipur again after 3 months. See, he stayed 2 days and 2 nights with Sarojraj Chaudhary. After staying 2 days and 2 nights, he returned to his hometown, Barampur. But after 3 months, again he went to Khairi Jasipur. I went to Khairi Jasipur again after 3 months, as I wanted to know more about Khairi. The reason is also mentioned. It is also a complex sentence. As I wanted to know more about Khairi. So why did he visit Khairi Jasipur again after 3 months? He visited Khairi Jasipur again after 3 months because he wanted to know more about the tigress. And what was the name of the tigress domesticated by Sarojraj Chaudhary? Her name was Khairi. He refers to here, the writer Hariharan Balkrishan wanted to know more about Khairi. So what did he do? After returning to his hometown, he again went to Jasipur after 3 months only to know more about the tigress Khairi. Saroj was gracious. Gracious, you know, gracious means gracious. Gracious. Gracious means benevolent. Benevolent or compassionate, or we can say kind or courtesy. Saroj was gracious enough to welcome me once again. So, Sarojraj Chaudhary was kind enough, gracious enough, benevolent enough to receive the writer Hariharan Balkrishan when he visited for the second time after 3 months. Saroj was gracious enough to welcome me once again. In addition to, and remember, besides, aside. Besides means in addition to, and beside means by the side of, and aside means to a side. In addition to, here in addition to means besides. You should know the usage of besides, beside, aside. Then only you will be able to improve your standard of English. Besides, my old friends, that means in addition to old friends, he had already seen what? A blind hyena, a pangolin, 2 country dogs, and other Khairi and other menagerie of Sarojraj Chaudhary. But when he visited for the second time to Jasipur, he found another new guest in addition to or besides his old friends. In addition to my old friends in that house, this time I found an 8-foot long addition, a young python. This time he found another new creature in the house of Saroj Raj Chaudhary. And what was it? It was a young python which was an 8 foot long. Within the next couple of hours, couple you know, couple means pair or two. Within the next couple of hours, I continued my quest. Quest means queries or search. Quest. Quest. Quest means search. Within the next couple of hours, I continued my quest of the man and his passion. Passion, I have already told you. What does passion mean? Strong feeling of emotion. Strong feeling, passion. Passion. Strong feeling of emotion. Strong feeling of emotion. Within the next couple of hours, I continued my quest of the man and his passion. But then he received the wireless message. The time, cell phones were not there. Immediate messages were sent through wireless. And Saroj Raj Chaudhary received wireless message from the World Wildlife Fund. When he went to meet Saroj Raj Chaudhary for the second time, he could not stay with him for even a day. Why could not stay with him even for a day? Because Saroj Raj Chaudhary received a wireless message from the World Wildlife Fund, and he had to attend an emergency meeting in New Delhi. He had to go there. Saroj was asked to immediately catch a flight. Here flight means aeroplane, for an important meeting at New Delhi the next day. So he had to leave for New Delhi. We drove in the past tense of drive, drove, driven. We drove. Both Saroj Raj Chaudhary and the writer Hariharan Balkrishnan drove to the Dum Dum Airport. This Dum Dum Airport is in Kolkata. We have also Biju Patnaik International Airport in Bhubaneswar. The same distance, but that time it was not an international airport. Biju Patnaik International Airport, which is in our capital city, Bhubaneswar. So he went with Hariharan Balkrishnan to Dum Dum Airport, and I see him off. She off. Say adieu. Adieu means what? Bye. Goodbye. Say goodbye. She off. She off. It is a separable phrasal verb. She off. I saw him off. I saw him off. Here I refers to Hariharan Balkrishnan. Saw Chaudhary, Saroj Raj Chaudhary off. That means he said his adieu, his bye at Dum Dum Airport, which is in Kolkata. That was the last time I met this legend. Here this legend refers to the first legend known as first legend Saroj Raj Chaudhary. This time, that was the last time I met this legend behind a legend. Behind a legend. He was behind another legend. Who was behind another legend? Saroj Raj Chaudhary was behind another legend. And who was another legend? Khairi, the tigress of Jasipur. As it made the entire forest very famous, so Khairi is also known as the legend. And who is after Khairi? It was that foster father of Khairi. And who was the foster father of Khairi? Saroj Raj Chaudhary, the first legend, who was behind another legend known as Khairi. So that was the last time I met this legend behind a legend. In just over 3 months, Khairi died. In just over 3 months, he returned Berhampur again after saying his goodbye to Saroj Raj Chaudhary at Dam Airport of Kolkata. Then he got a shocking news after 3 months. And what was that? That was the death of Khairi, the tigress of Jashipur. In just over 3 months, Khairi died. Saroj Raj Chaudhary did not live much longer. After the death of Khairi, Saroj Raj Chaudhary also did not live longer. Saroj Raj Chaudhary did not live much longer. So, a unique story, a unique tale of the tiger ended with the death of Khairi and her foster father Saroj Raj Chaudhary. So a unique tale of the tiger ended there. But respect is still in due. A salute is due, at least now 25 here hence, and he expressed his humble salutations, humble respects to that foster father of Khairi, that was Saroj Raj Chaudhary. Now let me ask you one or two questions to confirm myself how you have understood the lesson. After what interval of time did the writer visit Mr. Chaudhary for the second time? And you know, after the interval of 3 months, the writer again visited Mr. Chaudhary for the second time. What new addition to Chaudhary family did he find there? And when he visited for the second time to Khairi Jashipur, in addition to his old friends, he could find another new guest in the house of Saroj Raj Chaudhary, and it was a young python of 8 feet long. Clear? In our next class, we will go through the poem Oft in the Stilly Night.